Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a horizontal navigation bar for your website. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. We're first going to go to the CSS file to style the navigation bar. The bar will be built off of an unordered list element, which is basically a list that's not numbered. We're first going to style the unordered list by adding the following code. One of the new pieces of code here is list style type none. This tells the computer that there should be no marker at the start of the list, such as no bullet point. Next, we're going to style the list element. This just makes sure that the sections of the navigation bar are in one horizontal line and not vertical. After that, we're going to style the individual sections on the navigation bar in more depth. The reason that we didn't add this information in the above section is that because here we're using two selectors. As you can see, the list selector and the link selector. You'll see in the HTML file that the sections are actually list elements that have links to other web pages for your website. The above section here was just to generally keep the whole bar horizontal. This new piece of code, the text decoration none, just means that the computer won't underline the sections of the navigation bar like it's automatically told to do so if there's a link. Finally, we're going to add a hover effect just to make the website more interesting. Now we're going to go add to the HTML file. This class section just supports the hover effect. The links with the hashtags in front are just fillers, they don't actually work. If you wanted the link to actually attach to another web page, you would have to make a new file by going to File and then New File, and then setting up another HTML file and linking the name of the file here, like I did with About Me. So I'll just show you that file right now. I just made it very basic, just named the title of the tab, and I just put the name of the HTML file here, so when I go to About Me, I can click it, and it goes to actually another web page. Whereas if I clicked Contact Me, it would just stay here, and this new part of the link appears at the end that says hashtag contact me. It's just a filler, it doesn't actually work. This part after the actual link is just naming the section of the navigation bar, so it appears to say About Me. Now we're all done. This is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a drop-down menu to your navigation bar. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial, and check out the next tutorial to learn more.